So the instructions on the tile ready base say take the deepest part, measure it, and subtract half an inch. That's how thick the mortar base needs to be. So I have made a dam for my mortar base, which once it's filled to the top of this 1.5 inch 2x4 frame, I'll remove the frame and stick the base down. And that should be that. As long as the frame does not float on the mortar, I'll probably be okay. And of course, around that that drain there, I'll probably make a little paper dam out of cardstock, so that all my mortar doesn't go down in the drain hole. Anyway, so I think we're about ready to pour. Have the cement mixer in the back, and 4 bags of mortar all set to go. And I'm ready to get this sucker done. So looks like tomorrow is the day. Talk to you later. Bye. Okay, so today is the day of the pour for the shower floor. And I have all my tools here. I'm ready to go. Basically, got water, got power, got cement mixer, got masonry stuff, and I think I'm ready to go. We had a cold front come through. It's 94 degrees today, so that'll be pleasant working temperature for me. And I don't think so, but anyway, so we'll get started here in a minute. Well, inside we have a few tools set up. I wanted to block the hole, so upside down coffee can worked great for that, as well as some hardstock paper and some old plastic film that I had left over from my days when I had to make videos, or actually visuals for meetings. Anyway, so I got some. What do I got here? I got some stuff to help with the bond. Some bonding adhesive here. I've also cleaned the floor using some what is it? This stuff. It's basically muriatic acid. So clean the floor to assure a better bond underneath there. I have this tile ready base, which I'm going to stick down. And I've already lined things up and leveled things out, so we're in good shape there. And it's just a matter of spreading the adhesive on the floor, mixing the mortar. These boards are 1.5 inches in height, which is the height I need for this tile ready base. It's about 2 inches here to the bottom. And when you make your measurements, you got to keep in mind there is a slope to it. It's higher on one end than it is on the other end. That's so the water will go down into the drain. And so that's that. So I need 1.5 inch mortar bed throughout this whole area here. So that's why I have 4 bags of cement. My handy dandy calculator told me I need 4 bags. Now, using a roller per manufacturer's instructions, I have pulled out the bonding material. So, a couple of things. Concrete bonds better when it's wet. So, if you don't have bonding material, spray it down with a light coat of water, and it may achieve the same thing. Anyway, if this looks like white glue, that can be substituted as well. So it kind of is just white glue. Anyway, so moving on. Well, it's in and down. So waiting for the mortar to dry without messing with it. They say don't get in it at all. So anyway, we have a little ooze out under the front of the shower, but pretty much, we got it all hooked up there. You see down my drain, and I put a little weight on it to keep it down. I've used these nails to hold it in place while the mortar dries. 24 hours. Get moving on putting in the weather stripping that has to go in here, and then the cement board needs to go around it, anchoring this down, and then putting in the knee wall, which will be in the back about halfway up. Anyway, so that's that. What a mess. I got more on me than I think I got in the under the shower base, but took 3 bags of cement, so 3 80-pound bags of S-type mortar. Amazing. Anyway, what a fun project.